How can you make money on YouTube without any subscribers? I've got the details, stick around.
Brian G. Johnson.
Hey, it's me, Brian G. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, stake your claim and amplify your message here on YouTube by subscribing. Click on the bell notification and you'll be on your way. Fact, you don't have to have any subscribers to make real money here on YouTube. And I've asked two experts, Ricky and Jim, to come on and share details on how you can make it happen. So Ricky and Jim, take it away.
Hey, I'm Jim.
And I'm Ricky, and thanks Brian for having us on your YouTube channel today to answer some questions about monetizing YouTube channels.
The easiest way to make substantial money on YouTube, definitely information products. But information products take a long time to put together, a video course and customer service and packaging it and selling it and all of that. So to get started right away, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money over time, totally passively from the videos you create. Amazon's Associates program is ubiquitous, but there are tons of others if you look on ClickBank and CJ and Share a Sale to see what's available in your industry. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize any YouTube channel.
Question number 2. I've heard many people say that they can't make money doing affiliate marketing. Why do you think that is? The reason is that they're taking too direct of an approach. Let's say you want to be an affiliate for a product like an archery release. The direct approach would be to make a video about the best archery releases and then to have links to affiliate products. The better approach is to make a video about how to improve your accuracy in archery. You can do that and then link to the product along the way as one of your tips for how to improve your accuracy. Now there's something you need to watch out for, especially on Amazon Associates, and that is to look at your product categories. This $250 product is going to earn you about a $14 commission. This $250 Xbox is going to earn you about a $2.50 commission. So watch those product categories in the commission structure.
Best approach to affiliate marketing on YouTube? For that, let's go to a case study at the Camper Report YouTube channel. This little tiny channel has 8 videos that are recorded on my iPhone, and I didn't do any editing on those channels. The lighting was bad, the audio was even bad, but I put them up there. Those videos generated 7,885 subscribers and over 1.3 million views to those videos. But those are just vanity metrics. What really matters is the dollars that it earns for our business. Those videos powered our website and brought thousands of people there. That website is now earning over $8,000 a month in totally passive income. So let me walk you through how that works. Because the YouTube channel itself doesn't make much money. A little bit from ads, a couple from affiliate clicks in the description. Mostly though, in every video after we finish the content, we say, you know, I have a really helpful chart to help you get this information at camperreport.com/camperweight, for example. Then the people go to the website and there I can show them ads, I can give them affiliate links, I could sell them an info product, whatever I have there. That is the most powerful way, I think, to use YouTube. Will you lose a little bit of watch time because you're pushing them to the website? Yes. But doing it in a moderated way on many of your videos, but not all of them, I think is a smart way to do affiliate marketing.
And now for a power tip. The key to getting high view counts on YouTube is to find low competition, high search volume topics for your videos. Now let me give you an example that we worked on recently. Somebody asked us to help them break into the cosmetic space, and as we started performing YouTube searches for things like how to do a smoky eye, different makeup tutorials, we found that there were dozens of videos from channels with thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even 1 million subscribers. That's just not a space you can directly break into. But as we searched, we found a sub-niche that worked really well. The sub-niche was Rodan and Fields. And even within that, it was a little bit competitive, but again, we looked further and we found a video, how to apply Rodan and Fields Lash Boost. A single video on a channel with only about 10 subscribers with over 100,000 views gave us a huge signal that this space was ripe for the taking. So from there, what you can do is you can look for all the different types of makeup and products to apply for Rodan and Fields and make tutorials for each one of those, because they're so low competition, and you could grow a huge YouTube channel based on the foundation of Rodan and Fields. And once that channel's bigger and has a larger subscriber base, then you can broaden to cosmetics in general. Thanks, Brian, for having us on your channel.
That was some powerful information. Do this. Check out Ricky and Jim's channel. I've got a link in the description as well as the pinned comment that'll allow you to check out their channel and subscribe. Make sure to do just that. And do this if you want to grow on YouTube, if you want to not only upload but amplify your message here on the platform. Well, click on the yellow B to the G icon, you'll subscribe, and I'll keep you up to date with the strategies and tactics that have allowed me to grow, and you'll feed a poodle. I got two, and they're hungry. I'll see you next time. You dig?